Well, some more Spode Italian spare saucers. These are a little later than the 5.5-inch listings, and they increased in size as they got later in production. 5 5/8 is the diameter of these. The earlier ones made in the sort of 20s and 30s would have been 5.5-inch. So do check the diameter if you are looking for replacements that you want an exact match on, because there is in a stack a definite difference between these and the earlier pieces. In very nice condition, used vintage condition, a few knife marks on the surface, but otherwise very clean. Nice period mid-century Copeland Spode Italian England marks, and these are date stamped with 53D. Nice central wells. I should give you the diameter of the well as well, which will be useful, 2 inches. So worthwhile checking the diameter of the base plate on the teacups you're looking to use these with. These were designed for the teacups as opposed to the small coffee cans, espresso or demi-tasse cups, or the larger breakfast cups. So do be aware of that as well. We've got a stack, I think, of 4 of these, 5 5/8-inch diameter Spode Italian blue spare saucers, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Follow the link description below and it will take you through to the website listing for these. If you're looking for one of the other diameter saucers, then we do have a whole range available on that website. Thanks for watching.